And the greatest evidence of God's faithfulness is not that life becomes easy, okay? It's because He remained during hard times. God will always be there for us, no matter what we go through, no matter what we pass in our lives. God is always there, and that is the greatest evidence of God's faithfulness. Okay? He never leave. He never promised us life will be easy, but He promised us He will be with us through every storm in our lives. He promised us to walk us through every darkness that we face in our lives. At the end of the tunnel, there is always light. And God is in every step that we decide to make in our lives. God is there. It's only up to us to ask Him for help. Remember the book of Matthew, the word says, "Seek me and you will find me. Knock and I shall open for you." So always seek God in every decision that you make in your life. May it be big, may it be small. God is in every details in our lives. So seek Him with truth. Humble before Him. Surrender yourself to Him. For you to find Him, you have to sacrifice your flesh. Okay? Sacrifice your flesh. Live righteously. Check the way you live your life. Does it please God? Does it align with God's purpose for you? Does it align the way God asks you to live? Ask yourself those questions. Live according to His will. No matter how the world, no matter how the society will judge you, if you have God, you have everything. You don't have to please everybody. You don't have to do what everybody wants you to do. Just do what is right. Be on the right page with God, and He will never forsake you. Human beings may leave you with time, but God is always there. Remember, He knew you before anyone else knew you. He formed you in your mother's womb. Okay? God bless you. Have a wonderful day ahead of you. That was the only word I wanted to share with you. Don't forget to share, like, follow this video to reach a larger audience. And I'll always remember you. I'll always remind you that God loves you so much. Be a believer.